Hey Pitmasters, what is up? Today we're going to be making an epic cheeseburger. Stop! Burger time! Can't touch this. Ooh, ooh. So let's make a burger. And the reason that we gotta make this burger is that Morrison showed me a video where a guy puts Parmesan cheese into the meat and then smashes it. Of course, a smash burger, we all know the smash burger, but then stuffed with cheese you get this beautiful crispiness on the outside, that caramelization, and this is the inspiring bit. We need to try this and see if it's good or not. Now we're not gonna exactly replicate that burger because we can do it better. Yes, that's right, I think I can do it better. We're gonna start off with a little bit of minced meat. Well, a little bit. We're hungry, right, Morrison? This is already minced for us. It's 100% beef with 20% of fat. Now, normally this is the time where we start shaping our burger patties, but not right now. You waiting for it, Morrison? What? Our favorite part, cheese. We got some 100-week aged cheese, really old Dutch cheese, and I think Morrison wants to try some. I definitely want to try some. You get these salty crystals from old cheese. This is good. I love this. I love old cheese. Lots and lots of flavor. Oh yeah. You like old cheese, Morrison?
Yeah. I love it.
So we'll take off the outside of the cheese. We're going to be grating this into our minced meat. And this is the weird part. I've never done this before, so I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I'll bet you it'd be good. Now we'll start mixing this up. What do you think, Morrison? More cheese?
Yeah.
I think so too. We can still see the meat. We're Dutch. Gotta put on more cheese. Now it's perfect. And it becomes more sticky. It's kind of funny. As always, for shaping our burgers, we're going to use some baking paper. We're going to turn this 300 grams into 4 burger patties. These are going to be big burger patties. We're not going to smash it like they did. We're going to keep it really nice and big and, even more important, juicy. Oh man, he's back again. Every time we start cooking. It's been more challenging than normal shaping these burger patties by hand because the cheese is sticking everything together, and in itself that's really a good thing. But I'm wondering if the cheese will melt and what will happen to our burger patty. Will it fall apart? Will it stay as a whole? Dying to find out. But before we're gonna put these burger patties on the grill, we're going to make the rest of our ingredients. Hey Morrison, I came up with a devious plan to complicate everything. We're going to make ketchup mayonnaise. How about that? Let's get the word factor out of the way. This is ketchup mayonnaise or ketchup mayonnaise. It's sweet soy sauce. This is mayonnaise. Oh, this is mayonnaise. And this is ketchup. We'll start with a base, and the base is going to be our mayonnaise because it's going to be a white sauce that we want on the bottom. I like it when a burger has a white sauce on the bottom, and it's just going to give it a creamy effect to your burger. So we're going to take a 1/4 cup, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of ketchup mayonnaise. Now we'll mix that all up. Now, of course, I really like it because I just love all the ingredients, but let's see what Morrison thinks. Morrison, if you leave it hanging, it's going to be real messy here.
It's overpowering right now, I think.
Ketchup should be a little less, a little bit more mayonnaise. So we'll add another 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. And I want to add a little bit of black pepper. It needs somewhat of a punch. Now let's try again. This is really, really good. Perfect for our cheeseburger. Now the next ingredient you don't have to add, but I really like a little bit of acidity to this fatty, greasy burger. So I'm adding these giant pickles. And of course, one of these tasty fresh tomatoes. Look at that color. Now it's time to start working on our barbecue sauce. And the base is ketchup. We're going to take 1/2 cup of ketchup, a 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of ketchup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of a good barbecue rub. Now we'll stir that up and wait for that syrupy bubble. Of course, we want to make sure that our barbecue sauce is perfect for our burger. So we gotta try. That is a good barbecue sauce. I like a little bit of sweetness to our barbecue sauce. We got the sour from our pickles. We got the sweetness from our sauce. It's gonna be really, really good. Now we're gonna make our burger buns, and these are fresh burger buns, but we're going to make them even better. We're gonna be grating on our beautiful old cheese. We got our new Weber Master Touch here, and we set it up for high temperature direct heat. But I piled up the briquettes in the center, and we're going to put our burger buns over indirect heat. We'll put in the grill grate, put the burger buns on the side, close the lid and let the cheese melt. The cheese didn't melt. Look at that, the cheese is completely dry. This cheese is so old, there's almost no moisture in it, and therefore it didn't melt on our bun. I know a solution. We'll put on a little bit of young Gouda cheese to make up for it, because I want cheese flavor on my buns. I want it so bad. We're gonna put these little spicks of young Gouda on it. The cheese has molten, the buns have browned nicely. It's time to grill our burgers, but I want a little bit more heat. So I got my chimney starter with 10, well maybe 12 briquettes, and I got my searing grate. So we'll take out our stainless steel grill grate, put in our searing grate. Oh wait, forgot the briquettes. Wrong order of things. Of course you gotta put the briquettes in first. This thing is just so darn heavy. Ooh. And now we put the grill grate in. Before our grill grate becomes too hot, we're going to put the burger patties on. It's time to flip our burgers and put some salt and pepper on. And they're done. Time to take them off the grill. Those are some good looking cheeseburgers. We'll start with a leaf of lettuce. Then we'll put on our ketchup mayonnaise, 2 slices of tomato, and our first burger patty. Then our second burger patty. Now on top of this, we're going to put our pickles and our super sweet barbecue sauce. To finish that off, we're going to put the cap on, and the burger is done. 2 beautiful burgers, one for me, one for Marcin, and for you to watch us eat. Sometimes, yeah, I feel like a kingpin, like a villain. Time to slice it open and take a look inside. Are you ready for this? Look at that. Whoa! Look at how good that looks. Whoa! Time for the taste test. Look at it run. Are you ready, Marcin, for me to eat it? It's super juicy. The sweetness of the sauce is fantastic. The pickles are there, nice and sour. And the burger is juicy as, man. The cheese is in there, and it molten, and it's become, I'm speechless. This is so good. Let me get another bite and think what I'm gonna say next. That ketchup mayonnaise is really good. It's nice and sweet in the end. It really works well with the barbecue sauce. Making burgers is always so much fun to do. You can get creative, you can add a lot of things together, and you know when you're gonna hit the sweet spot. If you got that sweetness, you get that sourness in there, and it all comes together into one beautiful burger. Burger time. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this burger video, and if you did, you know the drill. A big thanks to our Patreons and our YouTube members. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk and keep on grilling. Ooh.